I'm Ash from CSG, here to talk to you about the new 2019 GT Avalanche platform. The Avalanche features aluminium frames with an integrated and tapered head tube, 100mm travel fork with a long reach and slack head angle. Features our own unique dropout, keeps the back end nice and tidy. These are 141 boost rear ends, so plenty of mud clearance on them. Wheel size, they come split, so extra small and smaller, 27.5, medium large and extra large are in 29-inch. For 2019 we've shortened the stems and widened the bars, and they feature all hydraulic brakes throughout the whole range.